Hi, so here we have for any real number x, let square bracket x be the largest integer less than or equal to x. So this is basically a GIF function, greatest integer function. Value of bracket x will be the greatest integer which is less than or equal to x. Now sigma, when n is from 1 to capital N of bracket 1 by 5 plus n by 25 is 25, then what is n? I hope you know sigma. Sigma is basically sum of all the terms when n is taken from 1 to capital N. Okay. Then what is the value of capital N such that the sum comes out to be 25. So let's start with taking n equals to 1 first. Okay. Now if n is 1, the first term basically will be 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 25. So this will be the square bracket. Now let's try to simplify this and see what is the value of this term. Now taking LCM of 5 and 25, we get LCM as 25. So this will become 5 upon 25 plus 1 upon 25 square bracket, right? So this comes out to be 6 by 25. Now 6 by 25, the number 6 by 25 is going to be 0 point something. It's between 0 and 1, right? 0 point something. Now square bracket of this thing is the largest integer less than or equal to this. So if this is the largest integer less than or equal to point something, it will be 0. So the value of this expression comes out to be 0 here, right? Similarly, the second term here will come out to be 1 by 5 plus 2 by 25. 1 by 5 plus 2 by 25. And that once you take LCM, this becomes 5 upon 25. So this becomes 7 by 25. Now again 7 by 25 is a number which is between 0 and 1. It's 0 point something. So again square bracket of 0 point something will be again 0. So the first term is 0, the second term is 0. This will go on till you get a 1 inside the bracket. See, the value is increasing. You have 6 by 25, then you have 7 by 25. Slowly you'll have 20 by 25, then you'll have 21 by 25, 22 by 25, 23 by 25, 24 by 25. Even 24 by 25 will be a number between 0 and 1. So it will be 0 point something. So the square bracket of 24 by 25 will again be 0 by the same logic. The first number which will change, or the first term which will have a different value, is going to be 25 by 25. Now 25 by 25 is 1. So square bracket of 1, which is the greatest integer less than or equal to 1, it is 1. Equality is also okay, right? So the greatest integer less than or equal to 1 is 1 itself. So we'll get all the terms 0 till 24 by 25. From 6 by 25 till 24 by 25, all of them will be 0. So how many terms are there? From 6 we have consecutive numbers till 24. So how many numbers are there? To calculate how many consecutive numbers are there, take the difference of the extreme numbers and then add 1, right? Last number minus first number plus 1. This is the total number of consecutive numbers between two numbers, including the extreme numbers. So this comes out to be 24 minus 6 plus 1, that is 19. So the first 19 terms, all the first 19 terms will be 0. So some of the first 19 terms will also be 0. Now the first term which will be equal to 1 is going to be 25 by 25, right? That is basically after 19 terms, these are 19 terms. So 1, 2, 3, so on till 19 will get 0. The first term which will have value 1 is going to be the 20th term. 19 terms are already done. So the next will be 20th term. 20th term will be 1 upon 5 plus 20 by 25. So 1 upon 5 is effectively 5 by 25 plus 20 by 25. Now 5 plus 20 is 25 by 25 and square bracket of this. 25 by 25 is 1 and square bracket of 1 will be equal to 1. Okay. So the first term which has a different value is the 20th term which is 1. The value is 1. What about the next term, 21st term? Now 21st term will be 26 by 25. Now 26 by 25 is going to be a number between 1 and 2. It's going to be 1 point something, right? 26 by 25. So if you have 26 by 25 is 1 point something, square bracket of 1 point something will be the greatest integer less than or equal to 1 point something. That will be 1. So the value of the 21st term will be 1. Similarly, value of 22nd term will also be 1. This will go on till you get 49 by 25. Right? From 25 by 25 till you'll have 49 by 25. 49 by 25 will be slightly less than 2. It will not be equal to 2. It will be slightly less than 2. It will be 1.9 something, somewhere around that. So even the value or square bracket of 1.9 something will also be 1. If you take the next term, which is going to be 50 by 25, now 50 by 25 is, 2, and square bracket of 2 will be 2. So we'll consider all these terms from 25 by 25 till 49 by 25, their value will be 1. So let's see how many of these terms have a value 1. So the number of terms will be the all consecutive numbers from 25 to 49. So the number of terms will be 49 minus 25 plus 1. That comes out to be 25 here. Okay. So sum of all these, since all these terms were 0, sum of all these terms was 0. And all these terms here are 1. There are 25 numbers. So sum of 25 numbers which are all 1 is going to be 25. Right? Sum of all these numbers from the first 19 numbers is 0. And sum of all the terms in the next 25 numbers is 25. So total how many terms do we have? You have a total of 49 terms. From 1 by 25 till, not 25 terms. How many terms do we have? You have 19 plus 25. So 19 plus 25 is 44. So we have a total of 44 terms. Right? So total 44 terms are required. The largest value of n that is possible is 44. So n here is equal to 44, not 49. We didn't start from 1 by 25, right? We started from 6 by 25. The first term was 6 by 25 and the last term was 49 by 25. So the total number of numbers will be 49 minus 6 plus 1, which is 44. So there are total 44 terms here. Thank you.